You want to make the right decision and you've had this question for a while. Should you wait for the ZV-E10 Mark II or buy the ZV-E10 right now as a video creator? Even if MK2 will be much better, for some creators ZV-E10, the current version, will be better anyway. But for other creators, MK2 will be the right choice. If you make the right decision, you can save money and have better quality, so this is important. Let's find out if you should wait for MK2 or buy the ZV-E10 right now. I have used ZV-E10 since it was released, and I also have more advanced Sony cameras like A7S III, and I've used the ZV-1. Even if MK2 will have some advanced features compared with the first version, I know if the features will help a specific kind of creator or not. Not all the features are worth waiting for and investing in, but some of them might be interesting. Let's break it down and discover on which side you are. First, because we don't know the exact specifications for the ZV-E10 Mark II, I will use the rumors. These are the rumored specifications according to the newcamera.com, so keep in mind that we may have some surprises and these rumors can be wrong. In my opinion, most of them are logical because the ZV-E10 Mark II should have some new features and these are the most natural ones. Now, the first thing that I want to address is the frame rate. On 4K, ZV-E10 has only 24, 25 or 30 FPS. According to rumors, MK2 will have uncropped 4K 60 and cropped 4K 120. This decision, in my opinion, is simple. If you shoot talking head videos and for your B-roll you don't use slow motion, you will not use that too often or you will not use it at all. As a talking head creator, I have used ZV-E10 on this channel almost exclusively for months and I don't need more. If you make talking head videos, courses, online video calls and coaching or other similar videos, slow motion will not help you. But if you are a travel vlogger, use the camera for cinematic B-roll and need slow motion, clearly MK2 it's a proper fit for it. But I think, and this is just an opinion, I think that MK2, because it will be a camera dedicated to vlogging, will still have overheating problems when it comes to 4K 60 or 120 like ZV-E1 or A6700. So for vlogging it's okay, but for client work, professional work, can be problematic. Now, the next important new feature I see is the 10-bit 422 footage. This is awesome. If you don't know what that means, long story short, with 10-bit footage you can do more when it comes to color grading. This footage, it's an 8-bit footage shot with ZV-E10. If I want to push the colors a little bit, you will see immediately bendings, artifacts and ugly things. This is a 10-bit footage recorded with A7S III. With this footage I can do more until the image breaks apart. Of course, it's more complex than this. This is just a short example to understand it fast. For talking head videos, in my experience, you don't need more than clean, well-exposed 8-bit footage. It's easy to work with and you can leave it as it is after you record and it will look perfect. If you want to see how I color grade my talking head videos, I have a dedicated video and you can understand how easy it is. But if you plan to do more with your footage and you have the time and dedication to do advanced color grading, yes, 10-bit will help a lot. 10-bit is excellent if you want more, if you plan to try and learn to do more cinematic videos and special looks. In my experience, this chapter is simple. If you want something simple but also footage that will still look amazing, 8-bit it's enough. If you plan to try advanced things, wait for 10-bit footage. Here I want to include S-Log 3, which will work excellently on 10-bit, but for 8-bit, I don't really recommend. Again, just for talking head videos, I don't see the point of making things complicated with S-Log 3 or other picture profiles and adding more steps in post-production. This is really up to what you plan to do, but this will be the logical choice for these specific updates. Let's dig deeper. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you. We will analyze the price immediately and we have two important unknown updates that are super important, but first I want to talk to you about the dedicated AI chip, AI auto framing and advanced AF modes. I used this on ZV-E1. That reframing function can be useful sometimes if you want to move and simulate someone following you around with the camera. But At this time, in my opinion, this function needs improvement, and when I tested it, the camera overheated super fast. But having this chip inside can open some doors for future super cool updates. ZV-E10 does not have this chip inside, and some updates are impossible for the actual model. But let's talk about two important features, and I don't know if this will be improved on the new model. First, the image stabilization. I don't know if the image stabilization will be improved, but it's an easy choice in my opinion. I have a dedicated video about ZV-E10 image stabilization if you want to find my opinion about it. If image stabilization is something important to you, and you create content where you walk and talk or move a lot, wait for the MK2 and see if we'll have a better active stabilization or even enhanced active stabilization like ZV-E1. If you create talking head videos like me, courses, training sessions, and use your camera on a tripod, this will be something that you will not use, so waiting will be pointless. And the second important feature is a bigger battery. I don't know if the new model will keep the old NP-FW50 or if it will have the classic big NP-FZ100. Because it's a vlogging camera, if they will want to keep the body small, the old battery could be kept, but this is not something that I have information on right now. But again, if you use your camera on a tripod for this kind of shots, I have videos where I show you my simple solution to never worry about a battery. I will add links in the description. But if you should travel, a bigger battery will be perfect, but we need to wait and see. Now let's talk about the price. The rumors say that the new MK2 will cost $798, just the body, and $899 with the kit lens 16 to 50 millimeters. The ZV-E10 right now is $519, only the body, and the kit is $698. If you plan to buy a camera for talking head videos and don't need slow motion, 10-bit, image stabilization or S-Log 3, the ZV-E10 is perfect. With the difference, you can buy a cage, a solution to power your camera and not worry about the battery, a microphone or other important accessory. If you want this, I have a few videos of a full ZV-E10 setup with every detail to help you create the perfect setup for you. Also, I will add affiliate links in the description for a full ZV-E10 setup. If you click on my links, you're not going to pay anything extra, but I will earn a small commission, and this will help me to keep sponsors away from this channel. Thank you. But if you plan to shoot more cinematic videos, travel, move a lot, or are excited about the new AI features, wait a little bit, increase the budget, and buy the new version. I'm 100% sure that so many creators won't need the new features and will prefer to buy maybe important accessories or a great 1.4 lens as an example, rather than wait for features that are not important to them. But you need to decide exactly what you will use your camera for. And even if you buy the greatest camera, you need to take care of the next super important step that will make your video stand out and have amazing quality. I have a dedicated video that will help you transform your quality, improve your content, and achieve your final goal when it comes to video creation.